welcome to Family Craft Time with Jen from the Blue Mountains Public Library. Today we are going to be painting a constellation. For supplies, you're going to need a canvas of whichever size you prefer or have. I chose this size. You're going to need some black, blue, purple paint, white paint, glitter if you have it, paint brushes, and some bling. So follow along with my steps and we'll get creating. Painting a constellation or a galaxy in 5 simple steps. So there's the Big Dipper, and then my super crafty daughter made her very own. What is this again, Lily?
Orion's belt.
And here we go, the Big Dipper and Orion's belt. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and just remember to check us out again next week at 11 a.m. for Family Craft Time. Thanks so much and have a wonderful weekend. Bye.